If you're watching this and you are heartbroken, I get how it feels. I went through a breakup after 2.5 years and it completely tore me up. I remember struggling to sleep properly, having my stomach in a whirl all the time, and just not feeling right. You feel lost, you feel unmotivated, you start questioning everything in your life. But this video isn't about feeling sorry for yourself. You need to make a change. I don't care what happened in your relationship that led to the breakup, you need to improve. The way you use this breakup is gonna shape how the rest of your life is gonna look. These next 6 to 12 months are crucial for your progression in life. It's gonna make or break whether your future relationships are gonna be long lasting or just like the last one. This is probably not what you wanna hear right now, but you need to channel that pain into something productive. Don't go sleeping around. Don't drink a bunch of alcohol, don't smoke weed. These are all destructive and are not gonna help you improve. If you're overweight and you don't take care of yourself, I hate to break it to you, but that might be why she left you. Although women like to say that they don't care about how their man looks, deep down, they do. Because the way you look is dependent on the way you treat yourself. If you look good, you probably treat yourself well, meaning you work out, you take care of your skin, you eat well. So although your girl would never admit it, that is the truth. Channel that pain from the heartbreak to become the best version of yourself. This is probably not what you want to hear, but you need to hit the gym. You need to watch your calories. You need to start taking care of yourself. And I guarantee that if you stick with that, your future partner is going to respect you that much more. You've got to keep yourself busy, but with the right things. Hang out with friends who remind you who you are. Go solo traveling, pick up a side hustle. Don't expect to be perfect, but don't allow yourself to rot. Don't just lie in bed and play victim. The only time you can go easy on yourself is after you put in the work. Emphasize becoming 1% better every single day. The truth is, most people let breakups ruin them, but you've got to use it to build something real. For me, I took a risk and left the gym that I was working at. It was very comfortable, I was making pretty good money, but I took a chance on myself and started building my own fitness coaching business. I decided that I wanted to create a life that could be shaken by absolutely nothing. You need to get your priorities straight. You need to realize that women should not be your priority. Look, man, there's nothing else to say besides breakups suck. But the truth is, breakups reveal who you really are. You could be that guy who drinks it away, starts sleeping around with a bunch of girls, or you can actually build something. You probably feel extremely lonely right now, and you need to use that. Use that pain and loneliness as fuel to become something great. This is the beginning of the next chapter of your life. If you want help turning that pain into progress, click the link below to apply to my one-on-one fitness coaching. I will hold your hand and force you to become better physically and mentally. Follow all my social medias, and I will see you in the next video.